Are you ready to dive into the wild world of biopics and cinematic creativity? Uh, Picture this. Robbie Williams, the British music icon, reimagined as a CGI monkey. Uh, Michael Gracey's bold vision in Better Man shakes up the biopic scene, sparking curiosity and applause. In a realm where music biopics often follow familiar tunes, Gracey takes a daring detour by casting Williams in a playful yet profound light. Imagine the buzz as Williams himself queries, um, what's with the monkey? The answer lies in a quirky reflection of Williams' self perception, transforming him into a relatable and engaging character. While the idea of Robbie Williams as a monkey may raise eyebrows, it's undeniably a stroke of genius that adds a fresh twist to the genre uh, as the internet goes bananas over this unconventional choice. The anticipation for Better Man mounts. Uh, with a Christmas Day debut on the horizon, this film promises to be a cinematic adventure like no other. So get ready to swing into action with Robbie Williams, the CGI monkey sensation. Remember, in the world of filmmaking, anything is possible, even turning a music icon into a lovable primate. Um, Stay tuned for more movie magic and unexpected transformations. Um, but thanks for tuning in. And until next time, keep an eye out for those cinematic surprises.